Hey, well, everyone, welcome to Tuck Notes. This is your how to do section, and this is how to pick a big boulder apart so you don't have to pay someone else to do it. So the first step is assessing it. That's to give you guys an idea. That's about 5 feet long and maybe 1.5 feet at the most wide. So that's step one. Now I know, or I mean, I don't really know because this is a beginner's thing. Do it yourself. And so I'm gonna figure out what tools to get to bring up that I will need that will be the best leverage for breaking that rock apart. So next video I'll show you the tools that I will be using and the ways in which I will cut the boulder apart to make it easier to break down. Okay,